Two brothers, one inheritance.
This is everything your father left you.
Adam decided to invest every dollar, but he didn't know where to start, so he learned.
Adam, look at this trend here. Your potential is truly unlimited.
So, focus on steady growth?
Exactly, my boy.
His first investment failed. He got back up and tried again, smarter this time.
It's finally starting to pay off.
10 years later, his patience had turned into real estate and a growing business. And Ryan bought the yacht.
Finally! I'm gonna live my life!
But not everyone around him was there for him. At the casino, he won big and felt invincible.
I told you I couldn't lose!
Then he lost it all
Wait, it's really all gone?
in one
No,
night.
this can't be happening.
I'll win
It's
it
just a
back,
game, right?
he told
I
himself.
can totally get that back.
The car was sold to pay
She is
off
all
debt.
yours now. Please take good care of her.
One by one, his friends disappeared. Soon, he lost the last thing he owned. The gap between them widened, quietly, invisibly, every year. Adam now ran a company funding charities for children.
I hope it helps.
Ryan sat alone in the park.
Hello, Ryan? Please, brother. I'm drowning. I need a hand.
Please, brother, I'm drowning. I need a hand.
Ryan? I'm coming for you.
Adam made one call. A car was prepared. No name needed, just help.
Get the car ready.
Adam arrived at the old house in a neighborhood he barely recognized.
Let's fix this together.
Let's fix this together.
This makes it simple. We just track everything here.
I can actually do this.
I know you can.
Thank you, Adam.
For the first time, Ryan truly listened. He started over. A simple job, real discipline. A year later, Ryan wasn't rich, but he was steady. He opened his own garage.
Welcome to my dream shop, where we fix them right every single time. We treat every car like it's our own.
Filled with cars he fixed with his own hands. One day, his brother came to visit.
Hey, Ryan. Can you take a look at this? It's making a weird noise. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
If you're going through something hard right now, invest in yourself. Keep learning, no matter how difficult life gets. And don't forget to subscribe to WealthPast.